Okay guys, this is the power station I built, the solar power station. You see this unit is getting charged from the solar panel, and you can see on the dial the arrow is blinking and showing it's charging from solar panel to battery. So first I had to turn on the main switch. This is the main switch for the control, so let it turn it on and see, you see the green light. This is another panel. You can see the battery voltage here. It has USB 3.0 output, and the control switch is this, and you can see the voltage. When you connect your device, you can see the ampere rate. This is the 12 volt output, 12 volt socket for the cigarette lighter. So you can connect any devices with the cigarette lighter plug. This is another USB port. Let's see these two USB outputs controlled by this switch, and the lights are off, and turn it on. And this is the dual USB output, and this is a single USB output with voltage and ampere display. Alright, and this is the master switch for the battery booster to start a car. So this switch controls these two knobs. These are the positive and negative terminal to connect the crocodile clip to connect to the car battery to start the car. These are LED lights, you can see, with the dimmer switch. You can control these LED lights with this control switch. See, now you see. Okay, now you can see. See, this is a solar panel connector port to charge the power station. Okay, now this side, another set of LED lights, like a camping light for the camping. The switch, yeah. See, this is the switch, and use it for camping. There's another 12 volt output to connect the 12 volt devices. It's a battery monitor. You can check the voltage. It's 13.1 voltage. Okay, and this is the work light. Okay, and the control switch is this. You see the high ampere control switch for the work light. The work light or spotlight or flashlight, you name it. And here, see, I installed an inverter, 120 volt inverter. There are two outlets, totally 400 watts. And if you see this side, there's a box. I have a wireless charger, and then another USB output working on a 12 volt cigarette lighter socket. See, in the box there is small accessory bag. I put all USB charging cords. It's easy to carry. I can put this here. Alright, this is all about my power station. Okay, turn it off. And it's charging now. It's now 12.8 volt, because see the shadow on the panel, so that's why the voltage dropped. So I had to move this somewhere. Before I move it, I'm gonna show inside my power station. So I built on the ammo box. See, this power station I built on 50 caliber ammo box. So let me open this unit to show you inside. Look at this. These are my wirings, and then the black box is a 400 watts inverter. You see the fuse box and circuit breaker, and the master switch. This is the main switch for the charging. This is a master switch for the battery booster. And underneath I put two 12 volt 12 ampere batteries. Totally 12 volt 24 ampere battery under the circuit. This is another wiring. And you can see the dimmer switch, control switch, LED dimmer switch, LED lights, and that's all. This is a 12 volt 80 watts solar panel. This panel gives more than 12 volt and more than 6 amperes output, so it's good enough to charge the power station. The total capacity of the battery of the power station is 24 amperes. If you have full sunny, within 4 hours the power station will be completely charged. This panel is easy to carry and it has its own the foldable stand. You put the panel facing south to get the maximum sunlight. I have some trees, that's why it's blocked. So I get sunlight like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends and family members. Thank you for your all support and God bless you. Strength and honor.